How to check your credit score. So in this video, I'm going to show you how quickly you can do that. So if you are doing it from the mobile app, just sign into your RBC mobile app, then select more in the navigation bar, then under services tab credit score, and you should be able to see your credit score and credit report. Now if you are to see your credit score from the web browser, then just sign into your online banking account. Then you need to scroll down to the bottom and on the right hand side and click labeled My Services. Then in My Services box, select View Your Credit Score. Then click Continue this here and review the Credit Bureau Dashboard Agreement and select I accept and continue. And your credit score should appear along with various tools, calculators, and other tools in reports, etc. So that is how you check your credit score inside RBC Bank mobile app and online banking dashboard.